Here's a question that most founders don't ask. What happens if the fabric that you chose to work with gets discontinued? It happens a lot more than you think. And suddenly, reorders become very difficult, matching colors become very difficult, you might be losing business because you can't produce your product, you might need to resource the fabric, and at many times, worse than that, you might need to redevelop the fit to match the new fabric. My advice, before committing to a fabric, check with your supplier about the availability of this fabric and the long-term continuity. Because a great product should be one that you can produce again and again and again, not just once.